Good day everyone, Best Ever Toy TV here. Yeah, we just bought this car about 4 months ago, and now the AC is not working anymore. It is not cold. I think 2 months ago we installed Freon on this one as the pressure was getting low, and just to test it out, how long it will last. But now after 2 months, AC is not cold anymore, so we are going straight to the shop. I'm gonna ask how much the total cost will be to repair the AC system. So I know they will take off the dashboard here because the evaporator is located here for these for the 2008 Honda CR-V. This is a Honda CR-V manual transmission. I don't like to drive automatic transmission cars. I prefer to drive stick shift. So yeah, good luck to us. Let's see how much this will cost. I'm bringing you also to the shop, so continue watching. So you can see this car already has 108,826 kilometers on it. I'm not wearing my seatbelt, that's why it's lighting up. And the fuel consumption is not that good in city traffic, so I got 6.1 kilometers per liter. City driving and highways though, it is much better, more than 10 kilometers per liter. Yeah, overall I really like this car. Travels great. Really quiet interior here, and travels really fast because of the VTEC. So anyways, again, yeah, hoping the AC system will get fixed today. So thank God the car is finally fixed, and now we are here at Toys R Us to do some hunting. And first, check out these JDM Tuners from Metals Diecast. They are Jada Toys, right? So check this one out. Honda Integra Type R Japan spec. This is a lovely looking car. Has a paint chip though on the rims. And this is the 1990 Mazda Miata right there. Check this one out. Wait, I have to get this first. Okay, wow. Wow, loving the paint job on this model right here. And the rims too. Wow, the rims really look good. That set of rims reminds me of the one that I had in my Honda Civic back in the days. Here's the 1974 Mazda RX-3 right there. So which one's better, RX-3 or the Miata? For me, the RX-3 looks better in that case. So check out some more cars. Impala here. Ooh, lovely. Ooh, this one's really good looking here. Nissan Skyline GTR. Oh, another GTR right there at the bottom. But first, let's check out this Lykan Hypersport supercar here. Ooh, I haven't seen one yet in Google, so I think I have to check out YouTube and Google first. Real life car pictures of the Lykan. So another GTR right there, R35, looking really awesome. So let's check out some more cars. Here's some Batmobiles. So you'll be the one to assemble this, and this one includes a small figure of Batman. So what are these called? Custom Kings from Jada Toys for 1,900 pesos. So that's close to $40. So let's head out somewhere here. Let's check out some more cars from Matchbox. So this is the Matchbox and Majorette section, but ooh, they haven't updated their display here. Kinda suck. Come on. Nobody's buying these cars here. This is an old 5-pack right there. Police 5-pack. Let's check out some Hot Wheels. I'm still looking for cars to, some cars that maybe I can do some customization someday. So let's check out some cars. Yeah, they still have the old case here. This is, I believe, L and M case. No N case yet, which features the Bugatti. And I believe the Bugatti will be hidden in good hands, if you know what I mean. And Acura right there. Integra. A new recolor. Yeah, looking for cars to customize and maybe some regular treasure hunts if I can find one. Still haven't found the highway hauler yet. And yeah, whoa, highway hauler. Speaking of the highway hauler, finally found one here. Yeah, this one's great looking. Ooh. Yeah, when I arrived here, I saw a highway hauler, but a kid was the first one to get it, and yeah, I thought there was only one because the person in charge said there was only one. So thankfully, in the middle of the pegs here, there was one hidden at the back. Yeah, but I really hate it when they stack Hot Wheels this way. It's almost certain that cards will fall down, and it's really hard to check out cars when they when they arrange it this way. Yeah, I'm also looking for toys for my son here. Still doesn't know what he'll have. He says he'll skip Hot Wheels this time. But anyways, yeah, check out Tomica's here. So it's good that Toys R Us have the new Tomicas right now, and they have the sticker too. So it says new 2019, which for some collectors is a good thing, because yeah, with these stickers, some collectors are selling these Tomica cars for more money than those without stickers. So yeah, the new Supra, and we have the 2020 GTR Nismo here. This is the special variant in black. As you can see there on the box, it has the open and close parentheses, which indicates special color. Yeah, a lot of these Skyline Supras and CRVs here. The CRVs, I haven't seen one yet with this special color. So anyways, I think that will be all for our Hot Wheels hunting here at Toys R Us. And I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel. Hope to see you soon, guys. Bye bye. Peace out. and enjoy the rest of the day. Bye bye, guys.